Hello everyone, in front of me is Yoga Tab 11 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. At first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text. It can be, for example, browser, notes, whatever. You just have to see your keyboard there, so just this layout. And as you can see now, it is set up with English and also Czech, as I do have it as my second system language. But if you want to change your keyboard dictionary, tap on settings icon, go to languages. As you can see, these are mine. However, to change your keyboard language, you need to click on languages and then tap on add keyboard. So let's pick some way different so we can see the change clearly. For example, Arabic. It's way different letters. Click on done, and now let's remove unnecessary languages. So I would like to remove both. Obviously you can stay with one of them and then switch between languages by tapping on space, but let me get rid of the rest, and now you can enjoy this brand new keyboard language. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.